Hello students, welcome to LearnGuru Classes. So today is a continuation of the last class where we have discussed numericals on cube of a binomial. So cube of a binomial means binomial having two terms and to the power of 3 gives you cube of a binomial. So there are two formula based on cube of a binomial. So these two formula are a plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube, and the second formula is a minus b cube equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So in the last class we have learned how to expand binomial cube using this formula. So today we are going to use this formula and do the factorization. So let's get started. So the first question is 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. So you have to use the formula, these two formula. So out of these two formula, which one to be used? There is a trick. The trick is that here all the signs are positive. Before any expression, the sign is positive. So obviously you are to use a plus b whole cube formula. Okay. Now the next job is you have to find out the perfect cube. From this expression you have to identify the perfect cube. Okay. So perfect cube, how will you understand? This is also very easy. Just you see a cube, b cube. So this is a perfect cube. So just I will write x equal to 8a cube means what? Twice a whole cube gives us 8a cube, right? So x will be twice a and y will be what? Y will be b cube, y will be b. So based on that, I will write this equation as twice a whole cube plus b cube plus 3. Okay, 3 a square b, that is 3 into 2a square. 12a square b can be written as this expression 3x square into y. So 3 into 2a whole square into b plus what? Plus 3 into 2a into b square we can write. Okay. So this can be finally written as, see, this comes in this type of formula. Okay. So this gives you twice a plus b whole cube. Okay. So this can be further be broken into twice a plus b into twice a plus b into twice a plus b. Okay. So this is the final expression. Now the second sum. So the second sum is second sum is 64a cube minus 27b cube minus 144a square b and plus 108ab square. So if you look at this particular formula and if you see each and every terms of this expression, you see that there is a negative sign before 27b cube and minus 44a square b. So try to relate which formula to use. You are to use a minus b whole cube formula. Okay. Now you see next is you have to find out the perfect cube. Okay. So perfect cube, what? To a cube, 64a cube and 27b cube are the two perfect cubes. So I will write x equal to a and 64 is 4 cube. 4 cube is equal to 64. So I will write x equals to 4a and y equals to b and 3 cube gives us 27. So y equal to 3b. Now what I will do? I will write this as 4a cube minus 3b whole cube minus 3 into 4a square into thrice b plus this can be written as 3 into 4a into thrice b whole square. Okay, so you are getting the expression. See, this is according to this formula. Perfectly it is fine. So I will write 4a minus 3b whole cube. That is, it gives us 4a minus 3b into 4a minus 3b into 4a minus 3b is the final expression. Okay, so let's move on to the next set of sums. Here comes the next set of sums. So the first sum is 27 minus 125a cube minus 135a plus 225a square. So you are to factorize. So you are to go by the previous method like I have explained you. So here obviously you will be using a minus, it will come under the formula of a minus b whole cube. Next you are to find out the perfect cube. So perfect cube is 27, x equal to I can write as 3. 3 cube gives us 27 and y will give us what? 125a cube. So a and 5 cube is 125. So y equal to 5a. Okay. Now just realize this in this formula. So 27a cube will give us 3 cube minus 5a whole cube minus 3 into 3 square into 5a. It can be broken as this plus 3 into 3 into 5a square. Okay, so you are getting this as 3 minus 5a whole cube. That is, you can write it as 3 minus 5a into 3 minus 5a into 3 minus 5a is the final answer. Okay, so the next sum is just you are to follow the same method, nothing fancy in it. I will write under this 1 minus 64a cube minus 12a plus 48 square. So minus sign is there, so you are to bring this in terms of a minus b whole cube. Okay, so for next job to find out the perfect cube. So here x equals to 1 and y equals to a 4a. Okay, now the next is fine. 1 whole cube minus 4a whole cube minus 3 into 1 square into 4a plus 3 into 1 into 4a square. Okay, so this gives us 1 minus 4a whole cube, that is 1 minus 4a into 1 minus 4a into 1 minus 4a is the final answer. So let's move on to the next set of sums. The next sum is you are to factorize 8p cube plus 12 by 5p square plus 6 by 25p plus 1 by 125. So before every term there is a positive sign. So you are to realize this expression in terms of a plus b whole cube. Okay. Next is you are to find out the perfect cube. Okay. So you see here some of these are in the form of fraction. So this can be a perfect cube because this is p square. P square is there, so it can be a perfect cube. 6 by 25p, this also can be a perfect cube. 1 plus 1 by 125. Yes, this can be a perfect cube because 5 cube is 125. And this is 8p cube. So this is also a perfect cube. So I will take x equal to p twice p and y equals to 1 by 5. So this becomes equals to twice p whole cube plus 3 into 2p square into 1 by 5 plus 3 into 2p into 1 by 5 square plus 1 by 5 whole cube. Okay, so this becomes as, this is in completely taking the shape of this formula. So twice p plus 1 by 5 whole cube. So this becomes as twice p plus 1 by 5 into twice p plus 1 by 5 into twice p plus 1 by 5. So let's check the next sum. This is the next set of sum where you have to simplify this expression. Okay, so before that you need to know one thing. You need a modification of this particular formula. Okay, so here if you see, these two are perfect cubes. Obviously these two are perfect cubes, a cube minus b cube. So you have to do something with this particular term. Okay, so what do we see? Just see here, a minus b whole cube. What is the formula? A cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So the perfect cubes, a cube and b cube, are the two perfect cubes. So I will just write it in this way and I will try to take common from these two terms. So you tell me what will be the common term here. Minus, I can write minus, 3 is common to both these two terms. So 3 I will write here. A square, here is a. So I can take a as common. It is b square, this is b. So I can take b as common. So I can write a minus b. So this particular expression or formula, the modification of this term, we are going to use over here. Okay, now this x plus y whole cube. So if you try to break this, you can break, no issue for that. You can break this and you can do it like x plus y whole cube. You can break it and you can do, but better you do some substitutions, then it will be easier for you. Okay, so x plus y whole cube, I can write it as, just I can write a equal to x plus y and b equal to x minus y, x minus y. Okay, now just go according to this. You are writing a cube minus b cube minus 6y into x square minus y square. So if you go by this 3, by this expression, 3 into what is a, x plus y, and what is b, x minus y, and a minus b, x plus y minus x plus y. So this gets cancelled. So you are getting x squared minus y squared into twice y, that is 6y x squared minus y squared. So this can be written as minus 3ab into a minus b. So it is taking the shape of this a minus b whole cube. So a minus b whole cube. Now what is a? A equal to x plus y and b is minus x plus y whole cube. This gets cancelled. So twice y whole cube and 8 y cube is the final answer. So you could have done this by completely breaking the formula, multiplying this expression. You will, all the terms, common terms would have been cancelled and you will get the answer as 8y cube. But it will take you several terms, several steps you have to do to get the final answer. Instead of that, within 2 lines, we could do this. Okay, so here I have tried to cover all the possible sums related to cube of a binomial. Okay, so it's your job to practice the sums. Okay, so here I am ending the class. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to LearnGuru Classes, like, comment and share it with your friends and relatives. So thank you so much. Bye-bye.